Thailand, we have a lot of things, but we lack of some story on each of the temple, each of the heritage. We have a lot of temple in every area. There should be some reason why we have that. And one Buddha, if we try to analyze into the material, we can know a lot of things. So with all of the assets we have, we can turn to money by story and then make the Thai culture as one of the hero for the wellness tourism. Talking about the innovation that we bring, actually to facilitate all the tools or instruments to review all the mystery here, synchrotron would be one of the key. A lot of research we would talk about that. LiDAR and also some radar like the GPR, and also I'm very amazing that CFD would be one thing that we can use for the heritage side. I know a lot of people, good guy on material side study CFD, but normally they just do something about material, new things, and then try to do something. So apply CFD with heritage, actually new for me. I think synthetic biology would be another area that so interests me. Self-healing cement might help you, to fix the heritage or to avoid them from the climate change issue, climate change problem. But we can actually learn from the World Heritage that long time ago they also have the same problem, and then they also have some solution. I think it would be good for that side diplomacy agenda. So side diplomacy would be one thing to make open side happen. But then I hope that Thai and France, we would continue work together in different angle, different area, in education, in science, in innovation, and also culture, social, especially on heritage side.